One of the things I learned from one of my mentors.
One of the biggest learning that I got from my mentor.
I'm always grateful to my mentor.
I have so many mentors.
Most unforgettable advice that my theater mentor gave me is
Always be humble. Never assume that you know everything. Always take risks, saturate possibilities, and of course, in every performance, you always try to say something new to the world.
Whatever workshops or acting techniques you have learned in the past, they don't really matter when you step on stage. Kasi what really matters is how truthful and present you are in the moment.
do it. Do it! Paano mo malalaman kung pangit o maganda yung idea mo if you don't just do it? So do it.
One of the great influences of my life, one of the great mentors of my craft, Dr. Anton Juan, taught me that art is deliberate. Movement is deliberate. Gesture is deliberate. The pursuit of art is always deliberate.
Even more than love for the craft is respect for the craft. So ayun, parang gagawin mo na rin lang, gawin mo ng maayos.
Kausapin ko daw yung character. Alamin ko yung history niya, alamin ko yung ugali niya. Kausapin yung character mo.
Being gracious of yourself when it comes to your craft, being honest. You also want to be kind to yourself, and through your work, you also want to be kind by being true, authentic, and honest.
To be an effective actor, you need to be in the truth of the moment. Kailangan buksan mo ang isipan mo, ang damdamin mo, at ang iyong pakikinig so that you can react in real time to the moment, the truth of the moment.
The actor is a portal. We don't just perform. We transform text into life, into space, into meaning. Acting is a process. It's not about instant emotion, but the disciplined shaping of character.
Being a good actor means being fully present in the moment.
Being empty and just listen, because acting is reacting. So you have to be aware of what's happening in front of you, what they're saying, what they're doing, what's happening aside from what they're saying actually. You're alive, you're an artist, you're creating on stage. So what you do and how you perform and the feelings you put out will depend on what they in front of you, the other actors, put in front of you.
Sabi nung isa sa mga bago kong teacher na, oh, look, Laura's with us now. She's ours now. Sagot naman itong dati kong teacher na parang, Laura has always been her own person. And dala-dala ko yun ever since.
It's play. Like play as in larong pambata or child's play. It's not called a serious, it's called play.
Sinabi na sa akin na gamitin ko ang aking sining, ang aking talento, aking teatro bilang serbisyo para sa bayan, para sa tao at para sa Diyos.
One of the most beautiful wisdom Sir Anton Juan shared with me is, meaning doesn't live in words or objects. Meaning lives in people's experiences and memories.
Kahit ang mandudula ay may mahalagang papel, siya kasi nagsusulat, kailangan niya maglaho paminsan-minsan para matampok o ma-highlight o mas makita yung ibang mga kasama sa kolaborasyon. Ang teatro'y laging binabahagi sa iba